How to download and install Messenger on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So first thing first, when you try to search up Messenger on your app store, it is available for the iPhone, but as soon as you switch to the Mac option over here, it will disappear because the Meta has discontinued its services for the Messenger and it will be completely deprecated by 16th of December. That's why you are not able to get it from the App Store, and this is why it will disappear from the App Store completely for the Mac, and that's why you should look for the different options. And if you want to use the Messenger on your Mac, then you need to open up the browser and search for Messenger website and then sign in to your account and then use it. That's the only way for now and maybe for the future. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.